That was 30 ounces of my shredded hash brown potatoes that I let thaw out. You're just gonna go ahead and spread that out on the bottom of your baking dish, a greased baking dish. Now we have about a pound of cooked sliced bacon here, and we're just gonna cut little bits off of this bacon. All right, we got all our bacon nice and chopped up. Look at all that bacon. Now this is gonna be good. All right, now we're gonna top it off with some shredded cheese, and I got marbled cheddar. You can use regular cheddar. You don't even need to use cheddar. Use whatever shredded cheese you like. I just went with the marbled today, and we're gonna use 2 cups of this cheese. So let's just get it right on, just get it over with and get it all on there. And then quickly, just spread it out all over the top. You can go slow if you want. You can take your time. But I'm trying to go quick for you guys, but also be precise at the same time. That looks great. All right, now some fun stuff. So over here, we have 7 eggs, and we can't have an odd number. I have 1 more egg that I'm just gonna crack right on in there to make it 8 eggs. And then we have a packet of ranch seasoning. We're gonna put that whole packet in there right over those eggs. This is really gonna take that flavor way up there. And then we have 2 cups of whole milk. Ooh, I love the smell of that ranch seasoning too. It really gets you in the nose. All right, and then you're gonna take a whisk. Try to break those yolks up because they are in there. You don't need to see them. You're gonna get them. Don't worry. And then you're just gonna whisk it all up until it's nice and combined. Oh, man. You can also make this breakfast ahead the night before. So at this point, after we add this, you would just cover it and refrigerate it. So then you can just pop it in the oven in the morning. And also, if you like your hash browns a bit more browned and crunchy, I would recommend just frying them up until they're a light brown color on a skillet. But me and my family and I, we don't really mind. So I did not fry my hash browns up beforehand, as you saw earlier. They came right out of the package. All right, that is looking really good, and it is exactly what we want. So let's pick this up, pour it directly over everything in here. All right, guys, that was all we needed to do. This is going in the oven at 350 for 60 to 70 minutes. Hallelujah. Look at how good that looks, guys. That is a masterpiece. I cannot wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Do you see that? How it just comes right out like that? Oh. Look at that.
Whoa.
Ooh, everything cooked so nicely. Oh my goodness. Wow. Those nice scrambled eggs and hash browns and the bacon and the cheese. This was in there for about 60 minutes. If you want yours more done, keep it in there for 70 minutes. Wow.